Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin. It's pumping a little bit, which is beautiful. My trades are up a lot, which is very nice. We're also going to look at the play to earn game that's going to crush the space, and make sure you pay attention to the play to earn space. It's a $300 billion a year industry. So what is play to earn? It's when you have games. Before the gaming industry, 3 billion people playing games, but not owning their characters, not owning the money. It wasn't real money in the games. And now with crypto, we can bridge that gap and make it have real money inside, which is going to be beautiful. We're going to look at Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you the altcoins that I've been buying. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And you can see here the market is having a big pump. CRV, I bought a lot of it yesterday after it had a big drop, which is beautiful, perfectly buying. I bought down here on this support line, and we had this big bounce already, so that would have made me a lot of money. Coinbase up 6.9%. Wise up 7.28%. So a big pump in the stock markets as well, not just cryptos. We had a big bounce yesterday in the markets. What else? Coin up, Wise up, Airbnb up, Neo up, AVAX up around 4%, DYDX around 4%, Palantir, Uber up. Uber is a good buy in my opinion, but again, the PE ratio is quite weak. BNB having a good movement today, which is nice because I have around $100,000 of it. Let's go into Bitcoin USDT. Start off on the 4 hourly charts. This is technical analysis as I teach you. You can learn it in the crypto master course. And this is what I've been talking about for the last few weeks. Bitcoin is ranging between these this blue channel between, that was the trade we had yesterday, which is in the profits, between 31,289 and 28,584. That's where Bitcoin has been moving. You can see between this channel. And as I predicted, it bounced exactly off that channel. If you followed, we bought exactly down there. And now it's moving towards the top of the channel, 31,000. And then we have to see what happens as we get close to it. There is a strong amount of volume. Stochastic is heading up. So I think 31,000 is where we would close the trade. But it depends on how it reacts at 31,000, because a lot of people are thinking this. RSI is heading up more to move. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. So this run could actually be getting started only. And I think it will actually break through this 31,000. That means we're coming through the EMA ribbons. This is the first time that it's come to the red on the EMA ribbon in a long time. This is good news for Bitcoin. You can see here when we dropped and had that big drop down to 26K, it never actually came into the red. This is the first time we're seeing the EMA ribbons actually turning. And as I thought, my prediction was 26,500 was the bottom for Bitcoin, and I still think that is the case. I'm going to buy more Bitcoin here. VPVR is still heading up. We've got a lot of support underneath us now. It looks like we'll actually break through 31,000, but let's see, Crypto Group bot still showing the sell. Bitcoin indicator bot called the buy beautifully. On the hourly, we've got Squeeze Mob going towards the green side again. Stochastic is still heading up even more, and RSI heading up. That means we had a bit of a pullback, but it wasn't much of a pullback at all. We went from 30,800 down to 29,800 and now sitting at 30,400. That's showing strength. And there's also a cup and handle technical pattern on the hourly, everyone. As I teach you in the crypto master course, we've got this looks like an inverse head and shoulders has formed to make a big breakout to the upside, and also looks like a cup and handle has formed. But either pattern, as I teach you in the master course, you can learn TA, either pattern is making that distance. So it looks like Bitcoin is actually going to break through this blue resistance, this trend line. Let's see if it does. It lines up perfectly with this resistance area at 32,000. So let's see how Bitcoin does. 32,350 would be the target if we break through. And usually on the channel, we will get rejected. We have to respect the channel until it's broken. That's the local channel that we've been moving in. Until it's broken, we respect it. But it does look like Bitcoin is building technical patterns to break through to 32,300, which is beautiful. So I'm going to show you my trades and then where I would enter the trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, like you're going to see in my trades, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment down below underneath the video on your phone, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's beat the YouTube algorithm, get thousands of likes. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my live trades in crypto stocks when I make trades. And if you want to trade using Bybit, you get Bybit and Femex, you get $8,700 US worth of sign up bonuses. When you use Bybit, you get $4,600 US when you sign up to deposit Bitcoin, and you can you take the crypto master course where you learn technical analysis. I have 6,000 students. These links are in the description and the pinned comment. Over on Bybit, we would have made a good amount of money yesterday, actually. In this account, I have $192,848, still below where it was actually a few weeks ago. Bit, $43,000 of Bit, but I was actually making money during this drop. CRV up 13%. I bought around 30,000 or 20,000. So I bought, around 10 or 20,000 of it yesterday. I've got one Bitcoin in here up 4.5%, and I've got USDT. So I've got around 75,000 in cash in here. The rest is in trades. My Bitcoin trade is pumping. I exactly added to this position at 28,500. If you followed my trade, I had a buy order at 28,500. Now that's a $4,000 trade with 5x leverage, so it's up $812, 20%, which is beautiful. That trade is doing well. Over on Bybit, I've got some trades open as well. In here, I've got 409,000 US dollars, so that's up 12,790 from yesterday. I've got BNB, which is approaching 100 grand. I've got 3 Bitcoin, 91,000 of Bitcoin. I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin in here. I had a buy order at 28,584, but it didn't actually execute that buy order, unfortunately. I'm going to leave that. Let's see what I'll add to the trade if Bitcoin bounces off, breaks through that channel. So now I'm going to show you where I would actually open a trade on Bitcoin right now. With these formations, I'll be actually adding to the trade where we're sitting right now, because this is an inverse head and shoulders that's forming. It's looking quite bullish here. Inverse head and shoulders we've got, and we've got this cup and handle. So I would actually add to my Bitcoin positions here to break up to 32,000. I do still think that was the bottom. So I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin on this. I'm going to buy one more spot amount of Bitcoin. Bitcoin USDT. On Binance? How much do I have in? I've got US Tether 81,000. So I'm going to buy one Bitcoin in here. So I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin exactly where we're sitting right now. So buying one Bitcoin at the current price. Buy. Confirm. So I just bought, my order is sitting there, and Bitcoin just moved up as I made that order. Let's see if it executes. It's coming back down. So it's going to buy one Bitcoin at 30,388. But it looks like Bitcoin is having a pump at the moment, but I'll leave that buy order. So that's where I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin. If you haven't opened, where I would open a leverage trade as well, is that I'd actually open it right now and I'd do a tight stop loss. It's a really nice area to make a trade below this inverse head and shoulders position. So stop loss sitting at 29,267 and take profit at the $32,000 target. That's the trade I would be taking on Bybit. So I'd risk 1,095, the stop loss at 29,267, the take profit target at 32,395. So I'm risking $1,000 to make $2,000. 1.86 ratio trade with 10x leverage, that would be $20,000 of profits. That's where I'm going to actually add to the trade here on Bitcoin. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of Bitcoin where we're sitting, because I do think Bitcoin is going to go for a run. So I'm adding another $1,000 to the trade, confirmed. So that's a $5,000 trade. So 25,000 with 5x leverage, $25,000 trade. So I bought one Bitcoin and I added to my Bitcoin position here, which is beautiful. I'm also going to show you some things from Magicraft. Again, to do all that trading underneath the video, go down below, Bybit, sign up 4,600, and you can also buy Magicraft. The ticker where to buy Magicraft, the link is down below on Bitmart. We have some designs coming. So this is Magicraft. This is the team working on MCRT Magicraft, the play to earn game. We have smart contract developers. This is just a small portion of the team working daily, full-time. We have more than 100 people working full-time on Magicraft. This is one of the UI designs. So this is the UI design, everyone, and it's going to be... That's the UI design of the game, but what's going to be amazing is instead of fake gold like you have in every other game, in Magicraft, you're going to have MCRT, which is a live token. Your gold and your weapons, everything is going to be a live token. You can see this is Magicraft. It's ranked 4,795 on CoinMarketCap. A lot of people on the watch list, 7.9 million. We did a promotion with CoinMarketCap. Its market cap currently is 2.2 million, fully diluted 38 million. And this project is just getting started. The MVP of the game is just being built, like you're seeing here. This is the UI design that's coming. And instead of fake gold, you're going to have MCRT as your currency. So you'll be actually earning a cryptocurrency token while playing the game, which is going to be epic. So that's Magicraft. You can find it on CoinMarketCap MCRT, the link down below, and it's available on the exchanges. These exchanges down below, it's available on these exchanges: PancakeSwap, MEXC, SpookySwap, Bitmart, WingSwap. These are the exchanges where Magicraft MCRT is located. So that's what I'm thinking is happening in the market. Those are my Bitcoin trade. I added more positions to Bitcoin. I just bought more and I added to my long position, and I bought one more Bitcoin. So now I've got 4 Bitcoin. Let's see if it executed over on Binance. Yep, the trade executed. So now in this account, I've got $97,000 of BNB, and I've got 4 Bitcoin, $121,000 of Bitcoin. I still think we've reached the bottom. If not, I will be laddering in down to 19,000, but I really do believe Bitcoin has bottomed here. Let me know what you think. Do you think Bitcoin has bottomed here? Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and remember, there's currently a promotion. If you get 5 of your friends to subscribe, you have to write in the comment section below, subscribed, and then 5 of your friends' name that you've got them to click that subscribe button down there. I'm going to choose the winner for $200 US. Thank you all for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.